Swiss Mortgages wins the season opener last week. Meanwhile, Route 22 fell short. They lost their opener against Tulog. First prize for both teams at the center court 3. Hey, let's go, boys! Okay, let's go, boys. First five at the center court, please, for Swiss Mortgages and Route 22 covering 2. First five for Swiss Mortgages. Number 40, Charles Aldama. Number 17, Roy Carrillo. Number 18, Mark Santos. Number 00, Mark Mata. And number 2, Kyle Haber. For Route 22 covering 2, number 24. Alain Capuno, number 26, for Sohigan. Number 20, Mark Galaitas. Number 9, CJ Ayungao. And number 18, Palmo Bas. This is the last game. Our referees or officials tonight is Jaren and Stewart. First possession belongs to Swiss Mortgages. Aldama leading jumper to strong rebound by Bas. Deflected. Ball went over to Capuno. For Sohigan, running the show for Route 22. Malbas inside. Shot no good, rebound. Carrillo. Mata, knocks it up to Santos, takes totally short. Rebound secured by Malbas. Malbas, from right to the basket for a layup. Route 22 strikes first. Mata to Carrillo. Carrillo. Aldama corner 3 short, rebound for Michael. The lightest scoring things around. For Sohigan, running the show for Route 22. Malbas to Alain, hit trigger, no good. Rebound Mata. Grabbing foul on number 18. Malbas, first personal foul, first team foul. Mata, wide open tray, yes sir! Mark Mata with a good dribble. For Sohigan, against Aldama. Turns the ball over, intercepted by Aldama. To the running Mata for a layup. Back to the bucket for Mark Mata. 5-2 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. The lightest for Trey, number. Rebound, Mata. Santos. Leaner, no good. Rebound, Ayuma. Malbas. Looking for a teammate. For Sohigan for Trey, uses the window. John for Sohigan for Trey. Deadlock, 5-4. Mata, sorry, Aldama. Inside pass to Santos. Shot, it's a foul on the floor. Pushing foul is on number 20, Mark Galaitas. First personal foul, second team foul. Mark Santos will shoot 2 free throws. First free throw for Santos is good. 2 out of 2 for Mark Santos. First hit of the free throw line. 7-5 is the score. In favor of Route 22. Oh, sorry, it's just Morgan. Aldama. Aldama para sa triple over. Santos plays it to Carrillo. Carrillo to Aldama. Left wide open. No good. Rebound Capuno. Playing to Carr. Malbas to Ayungao. Baseline jumper short. Last touch on Swiss Mortgages. Substitution rep. Goal 22 in possession. Haber out. Esguerra in. Malbas to Porsovigan for 3. Overshoots this time. Rebound Ayungao. Pass to Malbas. What a find by Ayungao to Malbas. 7-all is the score. Aldama, left wide open, bang! 3-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Malbas will answer, no good. Carrillo, 6 years to go. Pass by Esguerra, turns the ball over, stolen by Malbas. Malbas to Capuno, elbow J. Shooters down. Capuno with a bucket. 10-9 is the score. 1-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Carrillo against Galaites. Spins, drops it off to Esguerra. Shot is short, rebound Galaites. Next sublet. Galaites is an opening. Shot. Traveling violation committed by Galaites. Substitution set. Ayungao for Hechanova. Capuno for Samson. For Sovigan for Mutante. Mata. Aldama. Pass to Santos inside. Float on his good for Santos. Breakthrough movement for Swiss Mortgages. Leading for the easy pass of Santos. Metante to Galaites. Marvin to Metante to Echanova. Pass to triple no good. Metante put up no good. Rebound Esguerra. Esguerra to Aldama. Top hops from deep. Yes, sir! 3-pointers good for Aldama. Metante. Moving alternate. Push it out to Samson. Samson drives. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for 2. Foul is number 17. Carrillo, first personal foul. First team foul. Marvin with the charity strikes for 2. First free throw is no good for Marvin. We will have a game next week. We're going to take a break and we'll be back next week. Marvin splits his free throw. 1 out of 2 for Marvin. 5-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Yan ang Santos. Pass intercepted by Malbas. Read it like a book. Malbas to Samson. Samson drives. Higher in shoulder number. Rebound Mata. Mata hounded by Metante. Mata to Carrillo. Short pass. No good. Rebound Santos. Santos underneath the basket for a score. Route 22 down by 7. Hechanova serving the floor. Gives the ball to Galaites. Galaites, Hechanova. 8 on the shot clock. Pass intercepted by Esguerra. Forward pass to Mata. Mata turns the ball over, stolen in front. play. Too strong. Rebound by Galaites. Sweeps is stolen by Esguerra. Esguerra drops it off to Mata. Mata, wide open three. No good. Rebound. Galaites is all on the floor. Foul is at number 13. Arman Netante. First personal foul. Third rebound. Fresh 14 for Swiss Mortgages. Santos to Carillo. Carillo shot, no good. Rebound, Santos. Santos with a putback. Cleaning up the mess for Swiss Mortgages. Last 59 seconds, 9-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Traveling violation committed by Chinaba. Extra step. Route 22 down by 9. Mata to Aldama. Aldama bounce pass to Santos. Shot no good. Rebound Santos to Esguerra. Denied by Yoshikuma. Netante in the wall. Netante drops it up to Santos. He gets fouled. No basket. Let's wait for the shot. Foul is on number 14. Foul is on number 14. Last 7 seconds. That's the end. No basket. Basket doesn't count. Basket doesn't count. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 19 for Swiss Mortgages and 10 for Route 22. Traveling through. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Route 22. Second quarter. Caputo on three, yes sir! Malinis na Francis, turns the ball over, stolen by Galaites. To Marvin. Marvin sees an opening for a layup and goal! 19-15, 4-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra to Javier. Javier, closer, short, rebound and complete. Dalisay. Dalisay, leading jumper. He gets fouled. He's going to land to first team foul. Dalisay will go to the line for an and one. Noise. Free throw violation. (21-15) is the score. Tapuno, big trigger. Short this time, rebound Mata. Mata sees an opening for a layup, no good. Rebound comes by Metante to Samson. Quenchanova, from Metante, touch pass to Tapuno. He gets fouled. Heads up play. What a pass. Foul number 2. Haber. First personal foul. First team foul. Tapuno at the line for 2 free throws. Chance for Route 22 to move closer. First free throw is no good. One out of 2 for Alin Tapuno. (21-16) is the score. Mata against Metante. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 13. Arman Metante, 7 personal foul, 17 fouls. Esguera, hanggang sa Metante. Pass to Haber. Haber to Dalisay. Dalisay against Tapuno. Turnaround jumper and money. Veteran move for Dalisay. The lead is 7 for Swiss Mortgages. Metante to Samson. Samson drives from the rebound. Esguera intercepted by Metante. Stepping out of bounds for Metante. Substitution left for Sovigan Ayumaw for Dalaites and Metante. Swiss Mortgages up by 7. Mata to Esguera. Esguera still the Carillo. To Mata. Mata sees an opening. Leading jumper, no good. Rebound, Haber. First for team was loose. Carillo shot, no good. Rebound, Esguera. Put back by Esguera, no good. Rebound. Last touch by Carillo. Substitution left, Saber. Mata for Santos. And Carillo for Aldama. For Sabigan, to Samson. For Sabigan for Gray. No good. Rebound, Ayumaw. Pass. Intercepted by Haber. Dalisay to Haber. Haber to Santos. Jumper. No good. Quenchanova will go. Samson spins. Drive. Short. Rebound. Aldama. Santos with a Euro. Layup is good for Matsaka. The lead is 9 for Swiss Mortgages. Tapuno for the play. Partner by Esguera. Rebound by Ayumaw. Put back for good rebound. Samson put back for good. But he gets fouled. Foul is on number 0. Oh, sorry, it's number 19. Number 19. Santos, first personal foul, second team foul. Samson arbitrary distraction to people. No good in the first one. Free throw violation, airborne for Samson. The lead is 9 for Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra to Javier. Esguerra against Aluna. To Dalisay. Dalisay is Laguno. Spinning the defense by up the good. Last touch of two. Swiss Mortgages player. Apuno to AJ. AJ now the driving baseline for a layup. $25-18 is the score. 7-point lead by Swiss. Javier. Forward over by Aldama. Esguerra driving baseline. Spins. Loses the handle. Pass to Javier. Shot clock violation committed by Swiss Mortgages. Turnover. Ayun ang formal bus. Mata for Javier. Group 22. Down by 7. 2 minutes and 45 in the second quarter. And Canova. Pass deflected. Dalisay recovers the loose ball. Aldama Esguerra. Mata. Santos baseline. Jay Martin. Lead. Sorry, 8-point lead. Asal 9. Apuno ke Malbas. Driving baseline. Malbas scores. Back to a 7-point game. Aldama. Where's the dribble? In and out. Rebound Esguerra. Foul on the floor. Number 18. Malbas. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Baseline throwing for Swiss. Dalisay. Elbow J. No good. Rebound Malbas. Malbas to AJ. Canova drive. She gets down. Going on the line for two. Number 40, Aldama. Second personal foul, third team foul. First free throw is good for AJ. Harington in the lead to 6. One out of 7 AJ, rebound to Dalisay. Mata, Esguerra. Aldama hold it for Saliga. Dalisay, closes the handle. Foul underneath the basket. Foul is at number 2, AJ Canova. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Baseline inbound. For Swiss Mortgages. Dalisay, baseline jumper, no good. Rebound for Sabigan. Pass to AJ. AJ, one shot, no good. Rebound, Santos, foul on the floor. Foul is at number 23, Samson. Second personal foul, penalty. Penalty rep, penalty rep. Penalty, so 2 free throws. Five. First free throw is good for Santos. Second one is good for Santos. Official score 28-21 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Okay, back to the ball game. We're heading to the second half. Swiss Mortgages heading to the third quarter with a 7-point lead. Get away the ball. Pass the triple. Short. Rebound Carrillo. Carrillo, good back. Put back is good for Carrillo. Samson. Reverse layup. Hands in his face. That is good for Marvin Samson. Mata, de Esquerra, Aldama, to Carrillo, Esquerra to Aldama, 8 seconds to shoot, Aldama steals, no good, put back by Carrillo, no good, rebound Aldama, Esquerra to Mata, Santos for 3, yes sir! Santos with a hand. Puno from deep. Puno alay na Puno.
Tulong sa baba, tulong sa baba. Uli!
Turns the ball over, starting the Tante. Binaon, stolen by Aldama. Santos drives, no good. Rebound is on this. What's the ball red? Turnover. Last touch on Swiss Mortgages. Foul is on number 40, Aldama. Third personal foul, first team foul. Sideline throw in for Route 22. Malbas with the ball. Spencer stolen by Mata. There's a foul. Foul is on number 18, Malbas. Third personal foul, first team foul. Carrillo with the ball. Stolen by Malbas. The line is out. The line is out. Lead is cut down to 5. Carrillo. Carrillo underneath. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 32. 30. Sorry, number 3. Just foul back. 33. Foul is on number 3. Marvin Samson, third personal foul. Second team foul. Aldama for the play. No good. Rebound is up to Carrillo. Esquerra with a putback. Back to a 7-point game. Samson driving baseline. Takes it out to Apuno for 3. Short. Rebound Carrillo. Stolen by the Tante. Samson. Reverse layup is good. The lead is 5. For Swiss Mortgages. Esquerra with the ball. Esquerra to Aldama. 8 on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Mata running jumper is good. Mata stops the bleeding for Swiss Mortgages. Marvin with the ball. To Capuno. Marvin is over. Foul. He's going to the line on everyone. Foul is on number 17. Carrillo, second personal foul, second team foul. Chance for an end one for Marvin. A chance to move closer. Free throw is good. 37-33. He's got down to 4. Esquerra, Tomata, Mata, under the wrist. Esquerra, under the Kuya, by Kapuno, rather, sorry. Carrillo, long two, good rebound. Esquerra, pushing foul is on Marvin, number 23. That's 4 on Marvin Samson, 13 foul for Route 22. Samson for Islamic Chalda. Marvin in foul trouble again. Mata Esguerra. Altana left wide open. Start on Novas. Possession, Fishmore Rodriguez. Esguerra to Mata, back to Esguerra. To Carrillo. Carrillo needs jumper, no good. Rebound, Capuno. Capuno to Galaites. Galaites to Chanova. Chanova, Luis Carrillo. And the lead is cut down to 2. Here comes Route 22. Mata. Driving baseline, running jumper short. Rebound, secured by Malbas, fouls on number 00. Yeah, time out left. Para Chris Morgan, first personal on Mata, 13 foul on Chris Morgan, 3 minutes and 29. Remaining in the third quarter. What a rally by Route 22. Okay, back to the movie. Okay, back to the ball game. Last 2 minutes in the third quarter. Route 22, trailing by only 2. Capuno for the lead. Yes, sir! With the dribble, Capuno gives the lead back to the lead for Route 22. Layup by Carrillo for the answer. Capuno for the 3. In and out. Unlucky. Rebound Carrillo. Esguerra. Taps it up to Santos. Baseline jumper. Ford. Galaites scoring for that rebound. Galaites. Pass intercepted by Santos. Mata with numbers. Solo pass to Carrillo. Taps it up to Santos. Great goal movement for Swiss Mortgages, leading to the easy basket by Santos. What a pass by Carrillo. 3-point game in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Malbas loses the handle. Possession remains with Route 22. 9 seconds left. 9 seconds left in the shot clock. Malbas to AJ. Fake. There's a foul on the floor. Blocking foul is on number 17. Carrillo, third personal foul, warning for penalty. Shot clock is off. AJ for three, no good. Galaites saves it to Capuno. Capuno shot, no good. Rebound is better. Last 5 seconds. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 41 for Swiss Mortgages and 38 for Route 22 Traveling Tours.
Sorry, but you
Head back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of our League 2 NFBL Loving Care Champion Series 2026. This is the last game of our League 2 between Swiss Mortgages and Route 22 Traveling Tours. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Route 22. Metantes to Galaites, quick trigger, overshoots rebound Malbas. Malbas up in the move, denied by Esguerra, put back by Malbas is good. 1 point game in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Talisay against Capuno. Talisay, sees an opening. Shot no good, foul on the floor. Foul is on number 24. Capuno, first personal foul, first team foul. First free throw for Dalisa is good. Dalisa gives Swiss Mortgages a 2-point lead. Second one is no good, lane violation. Possession, Route 22. Here comes Route 22, down by 2. Chance for Route 22 to start the ball game. Echanova taps it off, pass deflected by Dalisa, intercepted by Dalisa. Dalisa in trouble. Pass to Otama. Esguerra sees an opening. Well, Charity gets fouled. Sublet. Foul is the number 13. Metante. Third personal foul on Metante. Second team foul. Capuno checks out. Samson checks in. 2 free throws will be handed to Esguerra. Chance for Swish to add to their 2-point lead. First free throw for Esguerra's good. Two out of 2 for Richard Esguerra. Giving Swiss Mortgages a 4-point lead. Echanova to Malbas, to Galaites. Galaites, target practice, no good. Rebound, Samson. Samson. Puts it on and then he gets fouled. He's going to the line for another one. Foul is on number 0, Dalisa. first team foul. Chance for Route 22 to cut down the lead to 1. No good in the bonus try. Rebound Mata. Eldama. So Esguerra drops it off. Last touch on Santos. Good intention by Richard Esguerra, but pass is too hard to handle. Resulting from turnover for Swiss Mortgages. Samson posting up. Steve loses the handle. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover for Route 22. Missed opportunity for Route 22 to try it over. Esguerra, one-on-one against AJ. Aldama to Santos. Santos, leading jumper over to Malvas. Malvas pushes up the pace. Samson to the open court. Lays it up again to tie the ball game at 44. Deadlock 44. Mata, hounded by Vitante. Aldama against Galite. Ball recovered by Santos. 7 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 13. Vitante, 4th personal foul, 3rd team foul. That's 4 on Vitante. Baseline inbound for Swiss Mortgages. We're tied at 44. 5 minutes and 5 seconds left. Eldama, lead jumper, number rebound. Echanola, bounce it out to Vitante for a transition period and for the lead. First time, Route 22 takes up the lead in this game. 4 minutes and 46 remain. Mata, one-on-one against Vitante. Loses the handle. Stolen by Vitante. Great hustle by Vitante. To Marvin. Marvin drives. He gets fouled. It's going to the line for 2. It's get a first personal foul, 17 foul. Great hustle and hands by Vitante. Resolving for the turnover and pass to Marvin Sampson. Samson at the free throw line, a chance for Route 22 to add to their 3-point lead. First free throw is no good for Marvin. That has been the Achilles heel of Marvin all season long. One out of 2 for Marvin, scoring his free throws. Giving Route 22 a 3-point lead. Mata to Eldama. Green, switch by AJ. Vitante, mounting Mata. Mata to Eldama. Eldama fakes, pass, deflected by Echanola. Galaites to Samson, open court, layup is good. Foul by Vitante. Timeout ref. Vitante fouls out in the ball game. 5 personal fouls on Vitante. Warning or penalty. Timeout Swiss Mortgages. That's the first timeout of Swiss Mortgages. 3 minutes exactly remaining in the 4th quarter. Arman Vitante fouls out of the ball game. We approach the last 3 minutes of the ball game. Swiss Mortgages possession. 19 on their shot clock. Santos ringing mark for Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra. Esguerra, screen, switch by Galaites. Switch again, now against Echanova. Great switching by Ratchandu. Great hands by Ratchandu. Tablet sub, foul sa number 0. Dalisay. Second personal foul, third team foul. Dalisay checks out, Carino checks in. 2 minutes and 47 left. 5-point lead by Route 22. Echanova to Apuno. Left wide open for 3. Number 3 by Malvas. Clean up job for Carl Malvas. Mata, hounded by Samson. Echanova against Esguerra. Jumper by Esguerra is good. Stops the drought for Swiss Mortgages. Malvas turns the ball over. Mata. Shot no good. He gets fouled. Foul is at number 2. AJ Echanova. Second personal foul. Penalty. Mata shooting 2 free throws for Swiss Mortgages. They are down by 5. First free throw by Mata is short. 2 minutes and 5 seconds left. Second one, still another rebound. It's Echanova. 0 out of 2 for Mata. Echanova. Wide open play for the last 2 minutes. Number 3 by AJ. Malvas with the steal. Malvas posting up. Turns the ball over. Stolen by Esguerra. To Eldama. Top pop for 3. Yes, sir! The lead is 5. Last touch on Swiss Mortgages. Possession, Route 22. Echanova once again for 3. Back-to-back 3-pointers for Echanova. Esguerra. 5 seconds to shoot. Last touch on Eldama, last 3 seconds in the shot clock. Carrillo, leading jumper. What a shot by Carrillo, beating the shot clock. Shot by Marvin. 2 points is good for Marvin Sampson. 59-51. A minute and 3 left. Carrillo. To Mata. Mata for 3. No good. Rebound Capuno. Following the ball. Foul is on number 19. Santos, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. The lead is 8. Last 50 seconds. Echanova sees an opening. Left side. Echanova wreaking havoc in the fourth quarter. Esguerra uses the handle. Recovered by Malvas. Last touch on Route 22. 34.5 seconds left. Double figure lead now for Route 22. Eldama against Galaites. Eldama spins. He gets fouled. He's going to the line. Penalty. Foul is on number 20. Galaites. Second personal foul penalty. 27 seconds left. 3-second differential between shot clock and game clock. First free throw is good for Charles. One out of two for Charles Aldana. 61-54 is the score. AJ to Alay. Last 3 seconds. AJ from deep, no good. Rebound, Malvas to Samson. Layup is good for Samson. Santos, the driving layup. Last 5 seconds. That's the end of our last game. Official score 63 for Rock Senator and 56 for Swiss Mortgages. Thank you to our referees and our crews.
You have your phone? Can you charge? Pero ang score talaga.